Today, we're exploring some of the most innovative tools that will help you save time, improve quality, and make your work easier. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are designed to enhance your craftsmanship. Stay until the end to discover a game-changing tool that could revolutionize your woodworking projects. Jig FitFinder, the fastest and most accurate way to find the exact halfway point of your material, up to 3 inches thick. No need for measuring, calculations, or guesswork. Just place your workpiece under the thickness gauge, and the sliding depth gauge automatically adjusts to the center. With the midpoint set, adjusting your table saw blade or router bit height becomes effortless. Perfect for half-lap joints, rail and stile assemblies, and precise center cuts. You can also use it to align fences on your table saw, router table, and bandsaw with pinpoint accuracy. This tool ensures better fitting projects, saves time, and eliminates the frustration of inaccurate measurements. Toldo Rotor Bit 35 Piece Set. The Toldo Rotor Bit set features shear angle technology, improving cutting quality, speed, and durability. The angled design allows for better chip removal, reducing friction, and extending bit life. With a universal 1/4 inch shank, this set is compatible with most handheld and table routers, making it a versatile choice for woodworking projects on solid wood, MDF, plywood, or even plastic. Precision Router Base. Designed to fit Dremel and Fordham tools, this precision router base is a lightweight, all-metal alternative to plastic bases. With an adjustable height system, a single turn of the thumb wheel moves the router 35 thousandths of an inch, making it ideal for fine detail work like inlays and fret slot cleaning. The built-in air nozzle helps clear dust while working, ensuring perfect visibility. Whether you're routing guitar parts or creating intricate wood designs, this base delivers precision like no other. Sawset Pro. The Sawset Pro is a carpenter's protractor designed specifically for miter saws. Unlike traditional protractors, its calibrated scales provide instant miter saw settings, no math required. With 2 easy-to-read scales, one for double miters and one for single miters, this tool makes setting angles fast, precise, and hassle-free. Simply align, set, and cut. Perfect results every time. Arbotech Turbo Plane. The Arbotech Turbo Plane transforms your angle grinder into a powerful sculpting tool. With its wide cutting action, it creates smooth, controlled surfaces while maintaining excellent balance and precision. The sharpenable carbide teeth ensure long-lasting performance, making it ideal for sculpting, planing, and leveling wood surfaces. Jorgensen 4-inch Gear Clamp. The Jorgensen 4-inch gear clamp delivers 600 pounds of clamping force with a rapid action mechanism. Its ergonomic handle allows for quick and secure adjustments, making it a must-have for woodworkers, cabinet makers, and carpenters. Perfect for gluing, assembly, and holding pieces firmly in place. Makitabilt Brushless Motor. Powered by a 12,000 RPM brushless motor, this tool provides fast and efficient stock removal. Its automatic speed change technology dynamically adjusts cutting speed and torque, ensuring optimal performance on different materials. 2-blade cutter head with double-edged carbide blades guarantees smooth finishes and extended durability. O-School Kit. The O-School drilling jig is adjustable, easy to install, and suitable for various board thicknesses. With rugged aluminum sides and a high-strength steel drilling bushing, it ensures perfectly aligned holes for cabinet making and woodworking projects. Its countersunk bushing helps guide drill bits at the perfect angle, making it a must-have for precision joinery. Greatnexk 74002 Handsaw. The Greatnexk 74002 handsaw features 11 teeth per inch for fast and precise cutting. With a tri-beveled tooth design, it ensures smooth and effortless cuts on wood, PVC, and various materials. It also includes built-in 45-degree and 90-degree angle markings, making it perfect for quick and accurate guided cuts. Popoman Cordless Circular Saw. This high-performance 20-volt cordless circular saw runs at 4,300 RPM, allowing for fast and accurate cuts. With an adjustable depth knob, it can cut up to 52 millimeters at 90 degrees and 35 millimeters at 45 degrees. The built-in laser guide and parallel guide ensure perfectly straight cuts, while the spindle lock makes blade changes effortless. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips, tool reviews, and project ideas. See you in the next video.